Anti-mask mob invades a grocery store. Oh gosh, well this ought to be good.
Hey!
Imagine how many pounds of force are going into that freaking attack from that shopping cart, bro. Like, that's a nuclear bomb right there. That should be like a freaking war tank.
She breathed out.
Hey, really?
Yeah, no.
Like, is she attacking this nigga for wearing a mask or something? Like,
This guy hit a woman. Stop. Hey, this guy.
how is he assaulting you when you just ran your fat ass into him with a freaking shopping cart? Like,
On camera! Hey, on camera!
This guy hit a woman.
Kick your heel ass out of here.
Call the cops. He just hit a woman. This guy hit a woman.
You hit a woman
on video. You hit a woman, bro.
You're attacking me.
How's he attacking you? You hit her. You hit her.
You're attacking me.
You hit her. You hit her. We have it on video. We hit her. Where's the cop?
Assault and battery.
You're a fucking pussy.
You're a fucking pussy.
You fucking
I am low-key so confused as to what the heck is going on right now. Is this bit coughing on? Nah, bro. That's a... Yeah, bro. Those are fighting words right there, bro. I mean, not words, but like... If you cough on me intentionally, bro, you are about to catch some hands. This bit trying to threaten me to catch COVID. You about to catch hands. You trying to cough on me? Nah, bro.
Oh!
Look at what she's doing. You're filming her, right?
Oh,
He's coughing. Oh, he's a fake one.
Bro, like coughing on somebody has to be like... Listen, before COVID, coughing on somebody is almost like... It's like a lower tier than spitting on someone. Spitting on someone is like the ultimate disrespect, to be honest with you. But in COVID, bro, if you're coughing on someone, that is the ultimate disrespect, bro. Like... He assaulted me! Bro.
He hit me in the face! Someone hit him! What?
Yo, listen. Okay, all of that BS aside, I have to say, bro, like, I don't think I will ever understand the logic of anti-mask, bro. Like, I just don't get it. Like, even, okay, anti-mask and anti-vax, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't understand. Like, at the very least with anti-vaxxers, they're like it's still, like, I still so heavily disagree with that position, like, wholeheartedly. But, like, at the very least, they have a tiny semblance of an argument to be like, oh, well, I don't trust the government. I'm like, okay, like, I mean, you take other vaccines, my nigga, but, like, okay, what, at least you have something to say. What argument could you make for not wearing a mask? I don't like, what argument could you make? I don't know a single argument you could make for not wearing a mask, bro. I'm sorry, it doesn't make any sense to me. It really doesn't make sense to me, dog. Let me reach out real quick. I'm sure this man was having a normal day. Next thing you know, this woman runs him over with a cart at freight train speed level. I swear. Cough on me. Chantal says, cough on me, you'll be coughing up blood. It be like that for real.